Students, you may observe what type of sheet is it?
Cuboid.
Is it cuboid?
You know, sir,
Is
rectangle.
it 2 dimension or 3 dimension?
3 dimension.
2 dimension. What shape and size of this sheet is there? Whether it is square or rectangular?
Rectangle.
Rectangular. How can you identify that this one is rectangular?
Length and opposite side are equal.
Length and breadth both are given, and each corner is of approximately 90 degrees. So this sheet is rectangular in shape. And you know what formula for finding out the area of rectangle is there? What is the formula to find out area of rectangle?
L into B.
L into B. Length multiplied by
Breadth.
breadth. Now see, with respect to this rectangular sheet, this one is L and this one is B. Now this sheet is going to be converted into a right circular cylinder. How is it? If we try to fold it like that, if edges are combined here, so it will come just like this shape. If edges are combined, a shape will be there, and this shape will be prepared what? Which shape?
Cylinder.
A type of right circular cylinder. Clear? Now see, the part of length is converted into a circular patch.
Circumference.
It is converted into circumference of this circular patch. Is it clear? So L is converted into circumference. And what is circumference here? Circumference equals, what formula for circumference is there?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. And you know this one is converted, L is converted into. Now it is remarkable that this L is converted into 2 pi r. This one earlier it was breadth. Breadth is converted into height. So the area of curved surface area, this one is curved surface area of which one? Cylinder. Curved surface area means CSA equal to
2 pi r h.
area of what? Rectangular sheet. Area of rectangular sheet because this one is just converted from rectangular sheet to
Cylinder.
right circular cylinder. It will be the area of CSA of cylinder will be same as L into B of rectangular sheet. So this will be L into B of which one? Of rectangular one. Now see, this L is converted into
2 pi r.
circumference. It is converted into circumference. Clear? So this L is converted into circumference. Multiplied by B is converted into what?
H.
Height. Clear? And we know circumference of any circular patch is what?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. This one is 2 pi r multiplied by height. Height means it will be h. If you simplify this, it becomes 2 pi r multiplied by h. This one is only curved surface area of which one? Of cylinder. And which type of cylinder is it? Right circular cylinder. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose top and bottom both are closed and we have to find out total surface area. What is to be required? Total surface area. This one is only curved surface area and we are required top is blocked, bottom is also blocked. So what will be there? Total surface area. Total surface area, how can we calculate? It will be TSA. T means total, S means surface area of which one? Cylinder equal to what will be there? Total curved surface area
Plus.
or simply curved surface area plus area of top plus area of bottom. Area of top will be pi r square and area of bottom will be same as top one, so it will be pi r square. So what will be there? 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. Why is it 2 times pi r square?
Top and bottom.
One is top, second one is bottom. So what will be there? This can be simplified 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now something is common here, and what is common?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. So 2 pi r will be taken as common. 2 pi r. Inside the bracket what will be there? This one is h and here it is r. Now we have established two formulas. What are those? First one is curved surface area of cylinder and this one is total surface area of cylinder. According to the question, we try to calculate it. Sometime different situations are there. Bottom is closed, top is open. Suppose a pencil box in which pencil box is there and it is cylindrical in shape. What will be there? Bottom will be closed and top will be open to put the pencil. If such condition is there, in such condition what will be there? It will be 2 pi r h plus only 1 pi r square, not 2 pi r square. Clear? If both are closed, what will be there? 2 pi r h plus r. If both are open, it will become where? Curved surface area, and that will be equal to 2 pi r s. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
On the basis of these two, we have to attempt the question given in exercise 13.2. Clear? Now just open exercise 13.2 so that we may solve the questions of exercises. And next exercise is 13.2 and we have to discuss about exercise 13.2. Let us consider one by one. According to the given condition of the question, we will try to solve those questions. So let us see exercise 13.2. Question number 1. Exercise 13.2. What page number is there? Just tell me page number.
216.
Huh?
216.
216 to 17. This exercise is given. Now one by one we will try to solve those questions. Firstly we have to consider question number 1. Question number 1. What is given there? Try to follow what is given. In question number 1, just open exercise 13.1. In question number 1, what is given? Height is given. The value of h is given. What value of h is given?
14 centimeter.
14 centimeter. Again, what is given? Curved surface area CSA. What curved surface area is there?
88 centimeter square.
88 cm square or square centimeter. These two informations are given and we have to find what? We have to find which value? The diameter of the cylinder. Base of the cylinder, diameter. Diameter is to be calculated. What value of D is there? To find out D, what is required? We require what? Radius. If we double the radius, what will be there? It will be diameter. So for that purpose, firstly we have to calculate what value of radius is there. If radius is calculated on the basis of radius, we can say that diameter of base will be such and such. So according to the question, let us examine. It is already given. It is the part of solution. Curved surface area is given. How much?
88 centimeter.
88 square centimeter. Am I correct? Now what to do? We know the formula how to find out curved surface area. CSM is
Curved surface area.
2 pi RH is given. CSA is given means the value of 2 pi RH is given. Am I correct? So we have to note down here 2 pi R and H is given, and that one is given 88. Generally in such type of equations we try to ignore units. Firstly we calculate the numeric value, at last we try to put the unit, what unit is required. Is it clear? Now see, this implies 2 will be in the form of 2, pi will be what? 22 by 7. What value of r is there? R is not given, it will be noted down as it is. And the value of height is given. What height is there?
14 centimeter.
14 centimeter. That is equal to 88. Am I correct? Now what to do? This 14 can be cancelled by this 7 to 7 to the 14. Am I? Now what is remaining? It will be R equals what? R equals 88 will be in numerator. In denominator what will come? 2 into 22 into 2. So this will go 2 into 22 into 2. So by this 2 it is what? 44. By this one what is there? 22. And by this one what is there? 1 by 1. And 1 by 1 is what?
1.
So this implies the value of R is what? 1 centimeter. Therefore, what is required? D equals twice of R, and 2 into the value of R is 1 centimeter, and 2 and what will come? 2 centimeter. Therefore, base of this cylinder will be, diameter of the base would be how many centimeter? In this way, question number 1 is solved. Okay? Now note down your copy, just note down. If copy is not there, to note down in your rough copy. Clear? Just note down. Now we will attempt question number 2. Firstly note down. Afterward, we will attempt question number 2. Hurry up. Don't waste your time. Have you done? Now observe question number 2, read question number 2 and try to understand what meaning of question number 2 is there. On the basis of given information, we have to find out the value of required information. What is given in question number 2? Try to discuss, try to read the question and get the given information. In question number 2, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Height is given height of cylinder is given, h of cylinder, how much given? 1 meter. One more information is there, and base diameter 140 centimeter. Base diameter means what type of base is it? Circular, and diameter is given 140, means the value of d is given, d of base, this one is given 140 centimeter. Now consider about their units, are they similar?
No, sir.
So what to do? Either convert meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. Only two ways are there. So what to do? To convert, better to convert this one into what? Centimeter. So 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Am I correct? Now d is given. On the basis of d, we can find out radius. What will be there? This implies r equals what?
70.
That will be half of 140. So that will be 70 centimeter. Now both the units are similar here. So we can apply both the values directly into where? Formula. Total, it is closed from top and bottom, means we have to find out which surface area.
Total surface area.
Curved or total?
Total.
To find total surface area. Clear? How to find out? We have PSA. Total surface area, and what formula is there? 2 pi r inside the bracket h plus r. This much information is given. Now r is given and h is given. Both are given here. We have to put here 2 multiplied by the value of pi. What is pi here? What is value of pi?
22 by 7.
22 by 7 multiplied by r. R means
70 centimeter.
70 inside bracket. H means 100 centimeter plus r means 70 centimeter. Let us simplify. Firstly, this 70 will be cancelled by this 7. What will be there? It is 10. Now multiply this one.
440.
This will be 44. 44 multiplied by 10. It will be 440 multiplied by 100 plus 70. 170. Now 1010. How many 0 will be there? 2 0. So 2 0 in resultant. Now 17 4 ja 68. 6 is carry. Again 17 4 ja 68.
Plus
68 plus 6.
74.
74. And what unit will be there?
Centimeter.
Square centimeter. Means centimeter square, and centimeter square can be noted down centimeter into centimeter. This can be converted into meter also. This can be converted into
Meter.
square meter. How? Centimeter will be converted into meter. Now see, this is conversion of unit 748 00 multiplied by how many centimeter? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equals 1 upon 100 meter. So 2 times centimeter is there. So we have to write 2 times 1 upon 100. Why? Because centimeter into centimeter is there. So we have to convert into meter. So how can you convert centimeter into meter? So only one way is there. In the place of centimeter, we have to note down 1 upon 100. So this will be 1 upon 100. Now this one meter. Again centimeter. So again what will be there? 1 upon 100, and this one meter. Why are we multiplying 2 times? Because centimeter is written here 2 times. So this centimeter will be converted into meter, and second one will also be converted into meter. That's why this is multiplied 2 times. Is it clear? Now see, direct 2 0 will be cancelled by this one. Now what will be there? 748 upon 1 followed by 2 0. So this will be converted into decimal. In decimal form what will be there? So this will come 7.48 square meter. Either this one square centimeter or this much in square meter. Both the answers are correct. In question it is not given to find the result in square centimeter or square meter. But sometimes questions are conditional to find the area in square centimeter or to find the area in square meter. If conditional questions are there, so you have to go according to the condition. Here you are free. Either find out up to this step, or you can enhance this, you can expand this and convert into square meter. Both the ways are there. You can conclude at this line, or you may expand up to here. Do you follow my point? So note down this one. This one is question number 2. Just note down. Then we have to discuss question number 3. Please, you are given sufficient time to note down. First we note down, then we will continue. Have you done? Have you done, students?
Yes, sir.
Hurry up, don't waste your time. We must be dutiful. Have you heard the lines of Robert Frost? Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep. Miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep. Means we have to cover the journey of life, and it is always miles away from our approach. So every day we have some sort of duty, some sort of task. We have to complete it. So we should be always beautiful. Okay? So become beautiful. Now see question number 3. Don't listen the sound of aeroplane. Observe question number 3. What is given in question number 3? Read question number 3. Any one of you stand and read the question.
A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area.
Okay, very good question is there. Try to follow this question with the help of this figure. What is figure? Follow here. Now follow here. This one is a metallic pipe. Metallic hollow pipe, not block, completely block. Hollow pipe. Clear? So thickness is there. Thickness is there. So we have to find out firstly inner surface area, then outer surface area, then we have to find total surface area. Inner surface area. Have you seen the inner surface of a metallic pipe? What will be there? It will be just like a cylinder. Now see here, inner diameter is given. What is value of inner diameter? 4 centimeter. Outer diameter is also given. That is capital D. This one is 4.4 centimeter. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the length of the pipe or height of the pipe?
77 centimeter.
Okay. This height is given 77 centimeter. Clear? So we have to find out inner surface area. Inner surface. गला मेरा सर. Now we have to find out inner curved surface area. CSA equal to, how can we find out?
2 pi RH.
Small d is given 4 centimeter, capital D is given 4.4 centimeter. So what is the value of small r?
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter. What is the value of capital R?
2.2 centimeter.
What is small r and what is capital R?
Inner diameter and outer diameter.
Inner radius and outer radius. Clear? Inner curved surface area equals 2 pi small r into h. Now simplify to the values. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by height is given how much? 77. How can we simplify?
So 7 will cut
7 11. Now it is 44 multiplied by 11 to the 22. Now multiply this one. 22 for the 88. Carry 8. 88 plus 8.
96.
9
6
6. And this will come
centimeter
square centimeter. This one is inner curved surface area.
Yes.
Now we have to find out
Outer.
outer. So which r will be taken here? Here small r. Which r will be taken here?
Capital R.
Capital R. Okay. So 2 pi capital R H. Put the values. 2 into 22 by 7.
2.2 centimeter.
This one 77.
No sir, R is
2.2 into
77.
77. Now this one 11. This one 44 multiplied by 22, 22 plus 24. Point will be here. Square centimeter, multiply this one and tell us.
1064.8.
Just multiply.
1064.8.
1064.8. This one is outer surface area.
Centimeter square.
Now we require total surface area. Students, since time is over, therefore we will complete our task by tomorrow. Till that, have a nice day.